Welcome. Welcome to smAshotober, and welcome to the Smash News Network. Least busted, naming news. Let's do some meteorology stuff. Here are the jet streams of the Western world. Quite a bit of jet stream chaos happening in the Northern Hemisphere. Southern Hemisphere jet stream looking a little bit more coherent. Let's look at the surface winds of this portion of the planet before we rotate it. Strong low here out in the north-central Atlantic, south of Greenland, east of Newfoundland. Here is the eastern portion of the planet. Shout out to our viewers from Munda. Congratulations on realizing our channel exists down there in places like Tasmania and the land of Oz, which I assume stands for Old Zealand. Leave us a comment and let us know why you call it Oz. Strong low here east of Kamchatka in between Alaska and Russia as well. Let's look at the jet streams. There are the jet streams of the Eastern world. Strong jet stream in the Northern Hemisphere, backward jet stream over the Western Pacific and Northern Indian Ocean. Doubled up jet stream, a little bit of chaos here in the Southern Hemisphere. Mostly clear skies over central Australia. Continuing on to the weather.gov map to show you a bit of freeze warnings here. All of those purple areas, those are freeze warnings. And the blue areas are frost advisories, I believe. Yep, frost advisories and freeze warnings. If your county's lit up, just click on it. Some cold weather seeping into Alaska there. Weather.gov, if your county is lit up. Look at all the lightning. Northern South America and Central America, yowzers. Crazy amounts of lightning happening there in the past about 10 hours. Let's look at a real-time lightning map. Lots of lightning strikes around the New World. Let's zoom in on that. That is quite the light show there. Looks like no terrestrial lightning strike in the U.S., though, so I stand corrected. Hey, Syracuse, there's thunder rolling in. Sudden thunderstorm breaking as we do the live stream. Just northeast of the Finger Lakes there at Syracuse, New York. Continuing on to look at pressure cells. Here's windy.com's pressure maps. And let me just check the life of the stream here to make sure everything looks copacetic. Everything looks just fine to me. We'll continue on. This video was originally streamed live to twitch.tv/smAsho, by the way. Go follow us over there to see when we go live. Anyway, there's where pressure cells are now. This is where the European forecast expects them to be at 1300. That's 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And if you're wondering where we're located, it's in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Again, twitch.tv/smAsho is where this originally was streamed. It's the world's ultimate live streaming platform. It's good enough for gamers. It's certainly good enough for our channel. I am a gamer, actually. Did you know that? We're also on BitChute, thanks to our BitChute subscribers. We've only been putting up our meteorology segments and BitChute exclusives like incompetence is less than accountability is less than pull the plug. So maybe check that out. There are videos on there that do not appear on YouTube because of obvious, pathetic, disgusting, putrid censorship. Let's take a look at the Global Cryosphere Watch page. You see all that yellow, folks? That's ice. You see all that white, folks? That's snow. Look how hot the planet is. Oh my God, it's so hot it's melting. Oh my God, pardon the sarcasm, viewers. Climate hacks. We're not apologizing for the sarcasm to you. Climate hacks out there. Quite a bit of snow there. And by the way, the snow mass balance is starting out outside the standard deviation. There you can see the snow mass balance starting things out here outside the 30-year average for snow mass. Apparently that's what happens when glaciers melt, is there's so much snow and ice that it's like what we just showed you. Make sure you press like and subscribe if you're joining us from YouTube. If you're joining from BitChute, make sure you go check out YouTube. If you're only viewing the videos on BitChute or on Twitch, you're missing like 90% of the content. There are all kinds of videos. Thanks to our patrons for making the Smash Team possible. Please convert your contributions to Smash Team contributions. Today's featured product is actually the Smash Team. That's the complimentary merch that you would get with a 1-year paid-up annual membership. It's $109.89, but it's the best value by far. Here's a tidbit. If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find our channel, maybe you can hire the Smash Team. Does Patreon have features like this? What's that? No, I didn't think so. That's a tidbit. A secret sneak. A sneakerate peek into what's going on at smashomash.com/SmashTeam. There's a bronze, a silver, a gold, and an annual gold paid-up membership. Let's take a look at the water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. Great water vapor animation here from the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. Nice equatorial cloud band visible there. See all that water vapor around the equator, as it's the place where there's the least amount of jet stream influence and the most convective forces at play, the hottest part of the Earth, the equator. A lot of moisture there around the South Geographic Pole, which means low pressure around the South Geographic Pole. I don't know if you care. But anyway, there is the water vapor scenario for the largest body of water in the world. Next, the U.S. Doppler radar. Here's a quick look at Alaska. Precipitation still continuing here in the Gulf of Alaska. Long band of storms stretching all the way from New Orleans up to Montreal, basically. Just moving over the Great Lakes, about to sweep through Pennsylvania and create some quite cold temperatures here in the mid-Atlantic states. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And there's what's going on in the water vapor map over the lower 48. That jet stream is going to push the weather through, along with some cold air. Anyway, once again, there's the Doppler radar map. There's the cloud layer. This is the 3.9 nanometer radiation map. And this is the water vapor. Once again, thanks for tuning in, viewers. We really appreciate that. Leave us a comment, visit the links, support the channel via the links in the description. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name it news.